So I've been doing fall drinks, and I thought maybe I'll wear a flannel shirt instead of a Hawaiian one. And I'm a sweaty mess, but we're making a great cocktail, so it doesn't matter. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Caribbean Andy. I want to show you easy ways to make better cocktails at home and talk a little bit about my bartending experience on the way. Check out my other videos, like and subscribe, and well, hey, let's see what I'm going to make today. Okay, so today we're making a penicillin. I'm already enjoying a practice one. This cocktail was created in 2006 or 7 by a guy named Sam Ross. If you're familiar with cocktails at all, you know who Sam Ross is. He owns Attaboy and worked at Milk and Honey in New York. He created the paper plane. The penicillin is, there's not even an argument about it. It's the most well-known cocktail to be created within the last 20 years. A lot of people, I think it's been around a lot longer than that because of that. Does that sentence make sense? I don't know. Regardless, you can go into any cocktail bar, order a penicillin today. It's very well known, and the reason for that is that it's delicious. Pretty simple too. It's scotch, lemon juice, honey, and ginger. We're gonna make it today with famous grouse. You can use Dewar's. You can also swap in mezcal and use that as your base spirit if you like. And then for our honey ginger component, we're gonna make a honey ginger syrup. All of those flavors combined into one. It does a couple of things. One, I like to puree the ginger and make like a ginger juice. It's almost like a little wellness shot rather than making a ginger syrup, because I think you get more of that like spicy, fresh ginger flavor. And then I like to use that as the liquid that I'm diluting my honey rather than using water. So it really, it's a nicer concentration of all the flavors that we want to combine for this cocktail. I don't know if that's the original way to make it. I don't know if that's how you're making it at home. There's probably 300 videos on YouTube about making a penicillin, and this is just one more. All right, so let's do it. We're gonna do 2 ounces of our blended scotch, 1 ounce of our honey ginger syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, shake it all up. Double strain it over top of a big rock. You can just dump it in there if you want. I don't know, I felt like being fancy today. And then we're just gonna mist our Lefroy, our Isla Scotch choice, right over top. And that's gonna add more to the aromatics than the actual flavor, but certainly fun. Smells like a campfire, tastes like heaven. If you're not a Scotch drinker, if you don't like smoky things, I don't think you should be afraid of this drink. The ginger is the primary flavor. It's so refreshing and light, and I think the smoky is more about the aroma, and I think that's what really makes it great for this time of year. Happy autumn. Hit the thumbs up button down below. Make sure you're liked, subscribe, tell your friends. Please, helps me grow this channel. Unless you don't like this, then I guess hit the thumbs down, don't subscribe, and log out of your YouTube account. Bye.